Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of fixing Telegram videos that are not playing or starting properly. It can be frustrating when you encounter this issue, but worry not, as we have a full guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve it. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of fixing Telegram video playback issues. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Step 2. Go to the chat where the video is located. It could be a personal chat, a group chat, or even a channel. Step 3. If the video doesn't start or play as intended, tap on the 3 stacked dots icon on the video. From the options, select Save to Gallery. This will save the video to your device's default gallery app. Step 4. Now, navigate to your phone's default gallery app and search for the video you just saved. Playing the video from the gallery app can help resolve any playback issues you were experiencing in Telegram. Step 5. If the issue still persists, it's time to clear the video from Telegram's cache. Go back to Telegram, locate the problematic video, and delete it from your chat history. Then re-download the video to ensure a fresh copy is stored. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Telegram videos that are not playing or starting correctly, ensuring a smooth video playback experience. Thank you for watching,